All right, welcome back again. This is really horrible looking creature we have here. We're gonna make it better. Let me turn on my back on. Okay. This is really ridiculous because we weren't using a very important piece, which is modifiers. So we're again going to turn this cube into some sort of animal, but this time we're going to use the mirror modifier to make it better. So I've added my loop cut here, and let's talk about this menu up top here. So if I click on wireframe mode, see wireframe mode, you can see all the way through the cube. This becomes very important for selecting large pieces, large parts of your mesh. So you can see here that I've got this whole face selected. If I select away and I want to do something similar like that, you can see that this one here wasn't selected because I'm not in wireframe. So if I select, it goes all the way through. It's just a much easier way of doing things. I'm going to cut that out. So I only have half. See, I have a half of my original cube. All right. So this little wrench tool right here, the modifiers. There's a whole bunch of modifiers. We're only going to talk about the mirror modifier in this tutorial, which is right there. If I add the mirror modifier, you can see what it does is it mirrors my actions. You can change the properties of the mirror. This is ridiculous because it's just mirroring on itself. But anyway, X, Y, and Z right there. We want it on the X only. So now we have this, and we can scale up again on our Y direction, like so. And we can add another loop cut. This is going to be a better animal, I hope. At least it's going to have better legs. In a later video, we'll look at those legs. Look at those. Much better. Much better. This is going to be the neck coming out here. In a later video, I'll show you how to do some better modeling. But for now, let's just get the basics. Here's the animal's neck. It's looking a little better than it did before. Let's extrude that out. This is going to be the animal's head. We'll rotate it. Well, let's grab, rotate it. Like that. Just like we did before, we're going to go Alt, select that, and scale this up. Why aren't you selecting those pieces? Anyway, there we go. Scale that up. Some kind of head. Let's do another loop cut through here so that we can extrude that out like that. And grab onto it. And now I've got, sort of a head. All right. Then we'll add one last little bit of a tail on the back here. Grab it. I don't know. There's a tail. I don't know. It's pretty bad still. Looks like I screwed it up a little bit right here. Should turn clipping on, but it's a little late for that. We'll talk about that later. Yeah, clipping should have been turned on. But anyway, we've got the basics here, and we've got the mirror modifier. So what's done on one side is mirrored on the other. All right.